हेलो एवरीवन। सो टुडे इज 30th ऑफ मार्च और इस वीडियो में हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं कि why this move came at 3 p.m. Okay, can we analyze this with data? Like, is there some data or something we can analyze which would have helped us in predicting this move? So the answer is yes, and I'll show you with proof. Okay, so I'll show you with proof that yes, this can be done. So people would just say that now because FIIs have done some buying, that's why it went up. So it's not about that. Okay, so now anyone can say by seeing that oh FIIs ने तो buy किया था तो इसलिए ऊपर चला गया. Because but you just see the last day FIIs bought, did it go up? No, right? So what was the main reason? The major reason is not this. Okay, so the major reason is that call buying was done. Okay, now call when it done. So the very first thing that I am going to take you is to the Telegram channel of the members. So on 28th March, okay, on 28th March, if you go and see that I clearly said that call buying is happening. Okay, so going to go up, call buying was happening, but what happened was that move did not come on 28th of March. Okay, so if you don't if you say that okay, all these Telegram channels are fake, I don't believe in all these things, so you don't have to believe. Okay, you just go and check the video that I posted earlier. Okay, the video bears be cautious. I clearly posted this video on 28th of March, and in that video I clearly mentioned that like call buying was being done by the FIIs. Okay, so now I can't fake this video now, right? So whatever I said, I said. So the thing is that there are times when you won't believe the analysis. Market would be drastically going in the opposite direction. It will show that your analysis is wrong, but ultimately you have seen several times how my analysis is correct. Yes, I can't do anything if the move is delayed. Okay, but all we can do is go with the correct analysis now. So that was the major reason behind this 3 p.m. move. Now let me tell you. Now you would all say that then why didn't it go? Nifty only went up till 83 points, right? So finally it closed at around I think 17,083. So why didn't it go up by much and so on and so forth? Why did it go so down for even previous day than today or yesterday also? So the answer here is that in the last video I told you that everything was happening. Okay, everything. Even like it's not about the FIIs were uniformly doing something. Some FIIs were buying, some FIIs were doing call writing. Okay, and then what happened was that even the big players were on the put side also. There were big players who had put buying, and there were big players who were doing put writing. Okay, so I have clearly, even just go and check in the video, I have clearly told you that even at 17,000 put writers were present, and I have shorted 17,000 put side. Okay, so here I have clearly showed this to you on March 27th what my positions were. Okay, so here going with 17k put writing as positional. Okay, so I have told you everything, like the 17,000 put writers were present, and like breaking 17,000 this week won't be possible. This message was very clearly said several times. Okay, so that's the thing. And yes, not only that, like it was a total hodgepodge thing, and you can't do anything in this situation. Okay, so all you can do is leave the market and just observe. So the thing is that, well, finally what happened was that the 17,000 call buyers and the 17,000 call writers, it's not like that the FIIs just closed all their call writing positions. They were not able to. Okay, so what happened was that they settled it at certain amount, like where both of them would be at like a profitable situation. So it's almost like a no loss no profit, or like a little bit of profits. Okay, so that's how they settled everything. Okay, so that said, the next thing that is basically, yeah. So now you know the reason, the major reason behind the move. Okay. So now talking about yesterday's analysis. So the very first thing was that first I said that the call writers the put writers were dominating in the morning 9:25 a.m. and anytime the call writers could come back. I said this at 9:25, okay, and then at 10:41 I told that I did call writing at 17,000 at 72, okay, so that was almost at the peak. Just go and check, okay, so I'm not joking anything, I'm not bluffing, okay, so I clearly told that during the live market. I'm not saying it now or whatever. So I said that when market was moving up, okay, and then just within 1 hour the price went down to 22, and yeah, and I closed at almost 15.75 rupees, okay, 15.53 or 75, so what no, doesn't matter, okay, so 17,000 call side I closed because from 72 to 15 rupees it's enough for me, okay, and yes, and I went with 17,000 call side call writing with so my average price is around 192, okay. So that said, like yes, and even if you can see, like just after the market closed, XGX Nifty finally again came down. So let's see where market opens tomorrow and how market behaves. But let's also discuss the overall data. So yes, that said, and also overall advance to decline ratios are also like advances are more. That might trigger some alarm for the bears, but again these things daily change. So again tomorrow or on Monday also, like things can just suddenly change. Okay, so there's nothing to worry about that. And also there is something that is FinNifty expiry is again going to be on Monday. So for FinNifty expiry we only have 2 more days. Okay, so Friday and Monday expiry. So please be cautious. Okay, and uh, we have our holiday on April, I think on Tuesday. Okay, so then that also, like we have only 4 days left for our next expiry, that is April 6th. 4 trading days I mean, okay. So talking about the option chain, so if you come and look at April 6th, so majorly you will see that on 17,000 both the sides writing has been done, okay. Again the same game I think would be played for this week as well. So both the sides, sorry, that is 17,100, this is 17,000. So 17,000 major, you can very well see the majority of the positions are on 17,000 on both the sides. And yeah, so that's it. And also, like talking about Bank Nifty, yeah, so talking about Bank Nifty, let's go to the 6th of April. And yeah, so the major resistance zone would be like the 40,000, okay, where much of the call writing has been done. And also if you can see, more than that call writing has been done at also 39,500, okay. So 39,500 will be on again a major level. And also again you can see on the put side also writing has been done. So again 39,500 would be again an important level for Bank Nifty, and for Nifty it would be 17,000 for this week. So let's see again if 17,000 breaks or not. And coming down to the indicators, how they performed on the expiry day with such huge volatility. So yeah, yes, so the very first thing is that the score in the morning, though market was rising, the score did not rise, though it was somewhat negative. So, and for Nifty, if you can see, Yeah, so for Nifty, in the first half, like in the first hour, it was showing some strength, but again from after 10 a.m. onwards, if you this Chrome is giving problem for a few days. Yeah, so yes, after 10 a.m. you can see gradually the scores were decreasing. Okay, so yes, then the score fell down and went into the negative zone, and also again from there the score recovered and came to the neutral zone and so on and so forth. Okay, so that's the thing, and I mean it was a hugely volatile market, and so Nifty was showing weakness in the morning, and for Bank Nifty, if we talk about, Bank Nifty was showing I mean more strength than Nifty. So if you come down, if you see the scores like even at 10:30 also the scores were, I mean much I mean showing much strength. Okay, so Bank Nifty was showing strength that you could have noticed in, I mean with the help of the indicators, and then suddenly the scores came down at around 12, and it went into the negative zone, but not it, I mean it almost, it was in the neutral zone for a long time, and then again came into the positive zone. Okay, so it did not go heavily into the negative zone like Nifty. So Nifty was more bearish than Bank Nifty. Okay, so you must have seen many of the big Twitter handles would be saying that, so that was the major reason. Okay, and now we have discussed everything here, so let's come down to our end of the day data. So talking about the end of the day data, if you can see here, that is I mean the futures long positions, they have been huge, I mean just halved. Okay, huge positions have been closed. Also you would say that futures also huge positions closed, but almost it's 10 times. So what do you think, like future short positions and futures long positions, if you compare the ratios of futures short positions is almost 10 times, almost 10 times. Okay, the, I mean of the futures long position. So market I mean April month we are going to see some fall, and that's why I've taken I mean I don't know whether the fall is going to come within the first week or not, but at least I know that 17,000 again market is going to touch there. So that's why I have taken the 70,000 call writing position, and yeah, so futures looking bearish. Then coming to option index, majority of the positions have been closed, so you can't conclude very surely. So but overall if you just see that call writing is more and than the put writing. Okay, and also put buying positions are still there. So some of the FIIs have bought puts which they are still holding, and if you see the put call buying position, so they are just for the hedging purpose. Okay, and that said, even if you look at PropDex data, PropDex are almost like equally on both the sides, though their call writing positions are more, but still almost same on both the sides, their writing positions. And also PropDex, they are also more on the future short side. So so considering the FII's data, the futures data is conclusive, that is they are heavily bearish, but options data still not heavily conclusive. Like you can't surely conclude anything from the options data, but all you can say is that put buying is there and overall call writing is there. So ultimately things are not looking good. Okay, and so it would be just a sell on rise, but again it depends on the fresh positions that gets formed on Friday morning, on tomorrow morning. Okay, so that said, I think I have discussed everything. So if you think that if you're new here, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Twitter. I sometimes give live market updates, and yeah, And those who have been following me, so if you like my analysis, if you're liking my past analysis, don't forget to put a like. And thanks for watching, and keep watching, and keep learning and trade safely. See you in the next one.